British toy boats from the 1920s onwards. This pictorial tribute looks at all the models, manufacturers in this total catalogue. This was quite extraordinary, an extensive list, and giving histories of the different companies and manufacturers of what was an incredibly popular pastime. When we used to see, when we were children, on every boating pond in our parks, a toy boat. Of course, they've got a little bit bigger, more man-sized than for little boys, but this is strictly toys as opposed to big boys' toys. The sheer amount of craft and types, prices and qualities make for interesting reading, and that's exactly what I'm talking about, those sorts of beautiful boats and the advertising at the time. Well, that says bargains in boats from Gamage's, which was the big department store in Holborn. And here we have a bargain of a book published at £19.99. Big softback, 141 pages, and through bibliophilebooks.com it's reduced to just £6.50, and you get 550 detailed images in this pictorial tribute to British toy boats by Roger